Hey everyone! Ever find yourself rushing through chaotic weekday mornings, desperately grabbing whatever's convenient? I've been there too. But what if I told you there's a breakfast solution that's not only healthy and delicious, but also incredibly easy? Imagine starting your day with a meal that not only fuels you, but also keeps you going strong until lunch. Today, we're delving into the world of overnight oats, a game-changing breakfast hack that'll revolutionize your mornings. Stay tuned. Let's get to the base recipe. Here's what you need for one serving. Half a cup whole rolled oats. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Half a cup milk, I love cashew milk. A 1/4 cup Greek yogurt for extra creaminess. 1 tablespoon maple syrup or honey. Mix it all up in your mason jar, cover it, and refrigerate overnight. Voila! You have a creamy, delicious breakfast waiting for you. Base oats recipe, 4 servings. Making for the whole week? Here's a larger batch recipe. 2 cups oats. A 1/4 cup chia seeds. 2 cups milk. 1 cup Greek yogurt. A 1/4 cup maple syrup. Same process, mix and refrigerate. Preparation and toppings. In the morning, if it's too thick, just add a splash of milk. Enjoy it as is or get creative with toppings like berries, nuts, or hemp hearts. Flavor combinations. Now for the fun part, flavor combinations. Here are 6 of my favorites. Banana bread. Mash 3/4 ripe banana. Add cinnamon and vanilla extract. PB&J. Layer raspberry puree, oats, and natural peanut butter. Pina colada. Pineapple chunks and coconut flakes. Mocha latte. Replace half the milk with espresso, add cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Chocolate peanut butter cup. Mix in peanut butter and cocoa powder. Top with chocolate syrup. Lemon blueberry pie. Blueberries, lemon juice, zest, and vanilla extract. These overnight oats are perfect for busy mornings, offering variety, health benefits, and convenience. If you try any of these recipes or have your own favorites, share them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious and healthy content. See you!